Are you still relying on outdated methods to manage your inventory? Outdated methods can cause overstocking, stockouts, missed shipments, and missed opportunities. C2W Inventory Management Software transforms your inventory control with a 360-degree view of stock and storage locations for optimization, cost reduction, and profit maximization. Our all-in-one system centralizes inventory, sales, purchasing, reporting, and barcode scanning into a single, user-friendly platform. Get real-time stock updates for accurate inventory as you buy and sell. Our multi-warehouse support makes stock transfers and order fulfillment easy. Set precise reorder quantities and points tailored to your business. Efficiently generate shipping labels and get real-time rates from multiple couriers in one place. Our advanced mobile smart scan barcode system boosts productivity, ensuring seamless order fulfillment from warehouse to doorstep. Thinking of future growth? We've got you covered. Our system is ready for easy integration with Geek Plus Robotics Goods-to-Person (GTP) automation, equipping you for advanced inventory management efficiency. Ready to transform your inventory management? Start with C2W Inventory, your pathway to streamlined success. Step into a future where inventory management evolves and expands with C2W, adapting to your business needs.